Good morning, students. How are you? Today we will do our third chapter, Evolution of Transport System. Evolution means development. Evolution means development. And that time, what was the transport system that time? Okay, we will discuss now. Okay, beta. In ancient time, ancient means old time, early human. Okay, in last two lessons we have discussed about that early human, how they were moved. Okay, now we will discuss. Okay, in order to different places, early human walked on foot. They were going only, they were moving from one place to another place by foot only. That time, no any transport system was there. And they carried their belongings and on their shoulders. If they want to take something, they keep it on their shoulders, okay? And but slowly, they started used to animal. They were used to animal to carry them and their families, their things. But after that time, early human was discovered, from the ape, okay? That time, wheels was also invention. Now we will discuss about the invention of a wheel. Invention of wheel. That time when the wheel was invented, it sorted out the problem of the early human. How? That time they were used this type of wheel on their chariot. Chariot I will show you a picture here. This is called chariot. Means that type of vehicle having the two wheels and horses pull it. Okay, that is called chariot, and it is the natural solution of this problem. Okay, it is the natural solution of this problem, and wheel was made transport easier and quicker. Quicker means fast. Clear? And firstly, in the Mesopotamia, firstly that wheels was invented. Excavation was around 3500 BC. BC means before common era. Okay, and at that time wheel was first used of transport in the chariot. After that, in the 19th century, Robert William Thomson. Okay, Robert William in the 19th century, Robert William Thomson invented the rubber wheel, and that is also the natural solution of this problem. And that type of wheel were used in the bicycle and automobile. Automobile is called that type of vehicle, those having the four wheel. Okay, like a car. Clear? And now human having many options to move from one place to another place. Like they can move by road, by air. Clear? After that, transport. Transport, you know? What is the meaning of transport? Transport means to carry goods and people. Goods means things. Transport means carry goods and pupils to one place to another place. That is called transport. Suppose you are coming in our school. Then how you are coming? You will come by van. Okay, that is called transport. Clear? Means that time also people were used that type of transport, and people move from one place to another place by transport, and that type of transport was also used for the raw material. Raw material means kacha mal. Clear? I am giving you one example here. Beta, you have seen trains. Okay, cargo trains also seen. Means that type of trains, those are uploaded some raw material like koila. Koila we are using for the produce electricity. That is called mal gadi. Clear? In Hindi we can say. And raw material, goods from one place to another place. Modern means of is the very important for the business and social culture life of the people. Now we can do business to the one country to another country, one city to another city with the help of transport. Clear? And modern means of transport. How many types of transport we are using? You having any idea? Modern means of transport. Three types of transport, okay, like land transport, water transport and air transport. You can draw one diagram with the help of this. In the last video I has also told you how to make the diagram. Clear? Modern means of transport. Firstly we will discuss about roadways. Roadways beta, earlier road means in the old time people use the engine, drive vehicle and neither metal road. That time roads were not like now. Those are now, okay. And the metal road that was wide or smooth. Means the road were very narrow. Narrow means बहुत tight. Clear? And they were made by the stone and mud. Mud means gara, chikkad. And the movement of people and animal from driven carts and rough path. But now in these days we are using like metal road, okay, clear? And in a developed country we can see the series of a flyover and a large number of network of expressway, highway and freeway to connect all major cities. Clear? Highway connecting major cities and are called the national highway in our country. Clear? Many cities are here like that. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai will be connecting smoothly by road of the world standard. After that, national highway. Why it's called national highway? Do you know our India is the second largest road network, okay? Network of road in the world. Our India having the second highest rank. Clear? Roads connect different cities and towns of the country. They also connect one country to another country. You know, many countries are connecting by road with our India, like Nepal, China, Bhutan, Pakistan also. Okay, clear? One road is going on that was made in the 16th century. That was made by the Sher Shah Suri. That is called GT road. Clear? That is called GT road and it is stretched from Kolkata to Peshawar. Peshawar in Pakistan and Kolkata in our India. And one thing, the Indo-Tibet road. Indo-Tibet road that is stretched from Shimla to China. It means our India is connecting by road also with other countries. Clear? After that, railways. Railways is the very cheapest and the fastest means of transport. It is very cheaper. Cheaper means sasta. Okay? Means middle class people also afford it. They are cheaper and faster and most comfortable means of transport. And now we have discussed already cargo trains also using for the carrying of goods from one place to another place. But in the first train was in our India. That was started by the British people. You know, before the independence, in our India, British people were there and they invent it. Okay, they have started this rail. And this was not fast, it was started in the 1853 and it was going from Mumbai to Thane. Okay, but they have used it for its only beneficial, they were used it for the raw material to one place to another place. Clear? But now in the series we having the some fastest train also, like Shatabdi, Rajdhani Express. These are the very fastest train and it covers 100 to 160 km per hour. Clear? After that, metro. Metro, you know, you have seen. Metro is also the very fastest means. Okay, metro is the underground railway system. In our India, many metro cities are here like Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru. Okay, these are known as the metro cities, and most of the world advanced country have a metro system. Means those are the developed country. In Japan, you know, bullet train is going on there in the Japan. But in our India, metro system is here, and this is underground railway system. But in the some places, metro trains also run above the ground. Only not in the underground, above on the ground also. Clear, beta? Okay, waterways we will discuss in our next video. Okay, take care. Thank you.